outfit, I knew it. I feel like it's so hard to make friends as an adult. I'm gonna try this April Skin peel off mask. I really like their carrot one, but that one's not peel off. And sometimes, especially when I wash my hair, I really dislike the feeling of like my hair being wet and having a face mask on. What I'm trying to say is that it gets really messy. I'm gonna use this to keep the lemon vibe going. We are back in the same spot. We're gonna have a little girls' day today. It will not stop raining. It's actually really sunny right now, but I know it's not gonna last any longer than maybe 2 hours. The rain is not going anywhere. We're gonna have a little girls' day today and pick up some coffee, maybe go grocery shopping. And I feel like this is not a girls' day. This is just like, we're just hanging out. Finally found somewhere to buy Smiskies in Miami, and they finally had a Sunny Angel drop. So we plan on going because my friend Teresa has been wanting to buy a Sunny Angel for the longest time. She has the worst luck. I'm really hoping that they still have stock today because they've been dropping a few every single day this week. And they also have the Smiski Sunday series, which is one of my favorite ones. I did manage to get 2 online. I will show you in a second because I actually took them all off of my desk because I don't know what to do with them. I have too many. I really want to build like that really cute house for them, but each little room is $50. They also do trades, so I'm gonna take some Sunny Angels because there are a few that I don't like, and I didn't even know that places that sell them could trade them. I thought you would have to go to like a Sunny Angel meetup or something. I did trade a Smiski that I got a repeat of in Japan. At the specific place you can trade whichever Smiski, but for Sunny Angels you have to trade within the category. So if it's like Animal Series 4, it has to be within Animal Series 4. I have a really big problem with letting myself sleep in. Like no matter what time I fall asleep, I will not let myself get out of bed past 9. 10 is pushing it. And like even if I slept at 5 in the morning, I cannot, like I will not let myself sleep in. Even on vacation I will have an alarm on, but I slept with no alarm last night and I slept so well knowing that nothing was gonna wake me up. We just got some Smiskies and Sonny's.
I got the Dreaming series. I want the sheep, the fawn, or the lop ear rabbit. Ready?
Yeah.
No, everyone close their eyes. On deux, trois. What is it?
Oh, another elephant?
Cute, but I have another. God damn it. Are you serious?
We don't.
I get the ones I don't want. Oh my. Oh,
it's really cute.
Oh, wait, it's so pretty. I always get the ones I don't want.
I got another Sunday series, and I also got a vegetable series. I have gotten so many vegetable series because I really want bok choy. Like I really want it. I've gotten corn, I've gotten zucchini, I've gotten onion. I just traded onion for a jaguar because I got confused. You can actually just trade any regular series. It doesn't have to be the same series. It just can't be like the special series. Which one should I do first? You guys think?
Sony.
Sony? Okay. There is no shake, so I feel like it might be a smaller one. I'll take tomato because I have ketchup. So that'd be really cute.
That's cute.
Ketchup and tomato.
You don't like tomatoes.
I'll also accept cabbage or carrot, but it's not gonna be carrot. I hope it's not cauliflower, because it looks like the popcorn. I heard you laughing, I knew it.
But it's cute.
Wait, it's kind of cute. No, wait, I like the back.
No, I actually like that
This
one.
is cuter than popcorn. Cammy doesn't like it. Popcorn and look at cauliflower. Oh. Like, this is the cuter one. This one looks like, one looks like there's something going on. We're also coming back tomorrow.
Yes.
Because there's like a Sunday trade that goes on here.
And allegedly, he told me a lot. He said that the sweet is gonna drop again, allegedly. I don't wanna get sued. So I'm hoping tomorrow the trade I can get rid of this one and my rooster first sloth, and then if there's something better than this dreaming elephant, then I'll do that.
After this, I'm done buying Smiskies because I have too many. Like, I have way too many Smiskies. It's like not funny. There's no shake, so I don't know if I'm gonna get another skateboard, so I could maybe trade it tomorrow. I really want this cat one. I like the balloon one. Oh, I want this one the most. The little watering one. That one's really cute. I will accept any, as long as it's not a dupe. Oh, wait, I have this.
Oh, it's not a good day.
They're lying.
I thought it was the balloon. I opened this on stream already.
Well, tomorrow you're coming back with that one.
I finally went to Trader Joe's for the first time in forever. I feel like I haven't been to Trader Joe's in so long. I picked up a few new things. These two are all over the internet. This maple butter, it's really just maple syrup, but instead it's just spreadable. I've been seeing a lot of people put it in their coffee, so I wonder how that compares to just putting regular maple syrup to their coffee. I also got pumpkin pie spice, which also excited about because I've mentioned I'm not really crazy about pumpkin spice, but I feel like this might make it better. I can also try making my own pumpkin spice syrup. Guys, I'm on this huge peanut butter and jelly thing, and I found this. I've never had like the Uncrustables, and there's a Trader Joe's version and it's with strawberry jam. These are all sweet things, which is so unlike me because I have more of a savory tooth versus a sweet tooth. I found s'mores bars. I can never eat s'mores because s'mores has marshmallow and marshmallow has gelatin, and I don't eat gelatin. Best for last, and I have really high expectations for this one. I found hot dog in Trader Joe's. I never thought I'd ever see hot dog at Trader Joe's, but I'm not surprised because they have kimbap, they have bulgogi, they have, I think most of their Asian foods are Korean. I just finished streaming, so now I'm gonna make some dinner. About a month ago, I made probably the best bolognese I've eaten, and it was so good. So I'm gonna show you guys how I made it, or try to make it how I made it, because I eyeballed everything. Also, I found out that bolognese is very different in different cultures. I think traditional bolognese has pork, celery, and carrots, but the bolognese I've always eaten is just like meat. It's like a meat sauce. That's just my little warning. This is the way that I grew up eating it. You're gonna need tomato paste. This is so crucial to making good tomato sauce. Really concentrated compared to tomato sauce. You'll need both of these. I have beef bone broth that I opened up 2 days ago, so I really have to use it. I don't know if I will end up using it. We're gonna see, because I have to use it. If not, I have to throw it out. Of course, we're gonna need some garlic and onion. We have the pasta in the pantry, and then Parmesan, preferably shaving it yourself. What's it called, Hala? What is that called? You guys know what I mean. Preferably not pre-cut, but Parmesan. Currently getting ready to go to a dinner event with Arborian. I'm a little nervous because I haven't been to a dinner event in a few months. The last time that I went to one, it was not the best experience. It's at a really popular Korean barbecue spot, and I've never been there before, but everyone talks about it. It's called Coat. I had a dinner event earlier this year, and it didn't really go that well. Like, I just felt really awkward because everyone knew each other, and I was like the only person from Miami, and it was in Miami. So I think people just knew each other from a different city, and I was kind of upset about it because I think these events are good to connect with other creators and especially make new friends, because making friends as an adult is so hard. After college, there's really no way to make friends besides coworkers. I feel like it's so hard to make friends as an adult that doesn't include your coworkers. I think my social anxiety has gotten a lot better since college. Like, I think taking a public speaking course in college really helped me. Since this event, I'm a little nervous because it's like, what if the same thing happens again? And I'm literally just by myself, but I'm pushing myself out of my comfort zone anyways. Plus, I really like this brand. I really like their eye cream, and I used their CC cream today. I've used it a few times. Also, I got this for my birthday, and I've been wanting it for the longest time because it was all over TikTok. Like, I think everyone was doing an ad for this on TikTok Shop, and I asked it for Christmas and I didn't get it, so I asked for it for my birthday. I feel like anything I don't get for Christmas, I either end up buying myself or I ask for it as a gift a few months later. I didn't end up getting it because I feel like this is a good gift option. I don't even use it properly, I think. I just kind of use it as a brush and sometimes twirl the ends. I'm trying to think more positively about going out because I have no reason to be nervous. It's also really early, which I appreciate because I've been getting tired so early lately. I'm gonna finish my hair and then I'll show you guys the final look. I just got a package in the mail and I'm pretty sure it's my new keyboard. I get most, if not all, of my keyboards from this brand called Mecklen's. My keyboard now is actually from there, this one, but I just changed the keycaps. They wanted to send me another one that's green and they thought would be really cute for my setup. So of course I said yes. I'm really excited, and you guys know I love my keyboards. I think one of the best feelings is hearing what the keyboard sounds like for the first time. Let's do a little unboxing. We got a new wrist rest. This is so awesome. It matches perfectly. We have the Key Boom Phantom 81 light.